The ugly duckling. One day, Mother Duck was sitting in her nest with her little ducklings. They were waiting for one big egg to hatch. Soon the big egg hatched. The duckling was different. It was bigger and ugly. Mother Duck hoped that the duckling would change. Mother Duck and the ducklings went swimming in the pond. The ugly duckling could swim much better than the other ducklings. Mother Duck took the ducklings to the farm. The farm animals saw the ugly duckling. They were mean to him. He became very sad. This continued for many days. One night, the ugly duckling went far, far away and fell asleep in a muddy marsh. The next morning, the ugly duckling met some wild ducks. They told him that he was ugly and asked him to leave. The ugly duckling was very sad. Months passed by but nobody was ready to be his friend. One day, the ugly duckling saw 3 beautiful white swans swimming in a pond. The 3 swans said, "Hello, new swan." The ugly duckling told them that he was a duck. The swans told him to look at his reflection in the water. The ugly duckling was amazed. He had grown into a handsome white swan. He was no longer ugly. The 4 swans flew up in the sky. The children on the ground clapped as the swans flew above them.